Good day, everyone. My name is Akerele Oluwashogo. I'm your Microsoft Excel trainer. Today we'll be looking at to combine if error and index and match together. Index and match is used to retrieve data instead of using VLOOKUP, which is much fantastic than VLOOKUP. When you are retrieving data from a table array, if what you want to retrieve is not in the table array, it will show you any mean not available. So instead of showing you any, you can customize the text which you want Excel to show you. So we are going to learn that this morning. So this morning I have some set of items which I want to retrieve their description from the table array. So I will use my index and match. I will later combine it with if error. So I will type index. So I will type equal symbol, index. So I will open the function. The first argument is the array. Array is the description that I want to retrieve back. So I will highlight my array. So and I will lock the cell by pressing function F4. Locking means I will making the cell address absolute, comma. The next argument is my row number. So how do I get my row numbers? So I will introduce match to get my row number. So I will open match. The first argument under the match value, under the match function, is lookup value. So I will click the first item, which is my lookup value, comma. The next argument is the lookup array. Your lookup array is the item store. So I will highlight all the item store, cell reference there, and I will lock the cell reference with function and F4. So I'm making it absolute, comma. And my last argument is the match type. So I'm looking for the exact description. So I'll click on exact match. So I will close the two brackets, the first bracket and the last bracket. So I will press enter. So it's showing me any, and I will auto fill down to copy down the formula. If you look at it, Pkooo3, this is Pkooo3, it's not in the table array. I only have Pkooo003, which is stationary. That is why it's showing me any. That means it's not available. If you look at the last one, it's showing me any, which is Pkooo998. I don't have Pkooo998 in the table array. I only have Pkooo99, which is iPad. So instead of showing you any, you can customize the text that should show you not available. Because if I see any in your word, I will think you are the one that make that mistake in Excel. So let's learn how to combine if error and index and match together. I will type equal symbol, if error. I will open the function. The first argument is the value. How do I get my value? I will introduce index. To get my value, I will open the function for index, and the first argument is the array. So I will highlight the array, which is my description, and I will lock the cell with function F4, comma. And my last and my second argument is the row number. How do I get my row number? I will introduce match function. So I'll open my match function. The first argument there is lookup value. I'll click on my first item as my lookup value, comma. The next argument is the lookup array. So I will highlight my item store as my lookup array. So I'll lock the cell up with function F4, comma. And my last argument is my match type. So I'll pick exact match. So I've supplied my index and match. So you close the bracket for the index and match. So that means I've supplied my value for if error, comma. And the last argument for if error is value if error. So I'll now customize the text I want it to return back, and I will tell Excel return back unavailable instead of showing you NA, unavailable. You can see now unavailable. So it will return back unavailable. So I will press. So I will close the last bracket for if error. So and I'll press enter. You can see it's showing me unavailable, so I will autofill the formula. So instead of showing any, it will show me unavailable, because I've customized the text which I want Excel to return back if what we are looking for is not in